Now, this is something that a lot of my affiliates that have been asking me about this, they want to use the hosted solution, but they want to be able to host it on an external site, not a site inside of High Level. But in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can create reusable embed code that High Level currently doesn't have. This is good, but what if you want to control the size of the video? You want to control where it's placed at. And more than that, you don't want it to go full screen on this because you're going to be embedding this into a particular customer site. How do you do that? And this is one of the things that I'm going to bring up a little bit later on. I just want to show you right here is the video does not autoplay. Okay. You're going to use something called a query parameter. So at the end of the video link, you're going to sit back and do a question mark, and then you're going to simply put in autoplay equals yes. So that's like hack number one right there. But let's go ahead and move on to the video embed code. When you click on the share button, one of the things that YouTube gives you is this nice little embed code. So if you click on this, you get this type of code right here that has an iframe. It gives you the width, the height, so you can control the size of the video to make it smaller, bigger, or however you want. And I'm not trying to be techie here, but guys, come on, this is going to, once you build this one time, you can just reuse this code over and over again and just update the link to the video. That's all you're going to have to do. Okay. So here's what I've done. This part right here, it's called a div tag. It's a part of HTML code, but all you have to do is just copy this and div style equals quote text dash align colon space center. So that's it. And then what this does, you're going to put this tag here, and you also need to put an end tag for the div here, but you're going to wrap that div, that iframe tag with the div tag that I just created so that this is what you get, this right here. So now what you've got is you've got the div tag, which is going to center the video. Okay. Now I could, what I just did is I just added this video element right here, but I'm going to scroll down and add this code element. Now, if you're going to be embedding this onto a third-party site, most likely there's going to be an element or some component that you can put onto the website that says HTML or code or something like that, embed code or something like that, where it's a code element where you just drag it, you click on it, and then like High Level here, if you click on this and then click on Open Code Editor, it gives you a little window to put the code in. Now I'm going to paste that iframe thing that we just used with the video for this particular player on it, and I'm going to click Save. And likewise, I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to preview again. Now, notice what happens. Highlight everything here, and then paste this new one in there with the div in there, and then click Save again. And then when we do this, we click Play. You know, what happens is you come down here, and now this particular video plays. Notice now this is in the center. But anyway, that right there is how you would take this and use the embed code to create it from High Level. And once you have this code right here, I'm going to remove this stuff so we don't get it confused.